In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to outline text in Affinity Designer. By the end, you'll know how to add a clean, customizable outline around any text so it stands out on thumbnails, posters, and social graphics. Start by opening the Affinity Designer app on your computer and load the project you want to work on. Make sure you're in the designer persona so you have full access to text and effects. If your interface looks different than mine, don't worry. These controls live in the same general area on the right-hand side in most layouts. Next, click to select the text you want to outline. If it's already on your canvas, a single click on the layer or directly on the text is enough. You'll see its bounding box appear. If you need to change the wording or font before you outline it, do that now so the effect matches your final styling. Keeping your text vector-based at this stage gives you the most flexibility. With the text still selected, look to the right and open the layer effects. You can do this by clicking the little FX icon in the layers panel or using the layer effects button if it's visible in your studio. This opens a panel with several effects such as shadows, glows, and more. The key is to apply the effect to the text layer itself, not to a group or the entire canvas. Enable outline inside the layer effects panel. You'll see a checkbox or toggle next to outline. Once it's on, the default settings will add an edge around your characters. Because this is a live effect, you can turn it off and on or tweak it at any time without damaging your text. Now adjust the outline to fit your design, increase the radius or width to make it bolder, or keep it subtle for a refined edge. Choose a color that contrasts well with your background. Solid white or black is classic, but you can pick any hue from the color picker. If the outline feels too harsh, lower the opacity for a softer look. Blend modes can help the outline interact with the background in creative ways, but for crisp results, normal usually works best. Zoom in to check curves and corners, and make sure small text remains legible. If you plan to resize the text later, enable scale with object in the layer effects so the outline scales proportionally. And remember, because this is non-destructive, you can revisit these settings anytime. That's it. Open your project, select your text, go to layer effects, enable outline, and dial in the look you want. Save your work, and you're ready to use outline text across your designs.